omo way no. I'm head of we can say a recruitment,
Harry.
The decision I don't get it.
You don't get
because me de in church mu nya mien nukweni. Me nche dan tirase.
Oh, okay.
So what Tijani Rendes. Now so onu mumu enko. Na kofa Luka Modric bra. Se me decide decision no abetum anim na me bisa why did the decision now catch him so me pay leader in Luka Modric. Enti na mama Tijani Rendes kwa beka say chairman. Ya wa akoda say be age bebre when anim born so nimbo. Siana ye boy no he was the best player.
Best midfielder.
Sorry, best midfielder. Wo free team mko. Kofo bibia obi mpaguo na wo beka chem so no a leader in him.
You see?
That's a wrong decision. Anyway, I know my opinion.
Enra. Me nam social media na me koto chairman general FIFA kan interview bia o ye e Joy Prime. Na oye interview na ena okasem bi. O say sika ehun hia se o say nipa onye sika but sika anya ade nyina
okay
tini yo sika
ayepa
ehun hia se nipa e o say onye sika nenso no sika anya ade nyina nemom no make sure say ujumedi a wudi no ema usika pa ansa na sebi wakasa nkwasi asem ni asem na meka na wati ase sika ehu hia
be nya de nyina
sika enya de nyina
so whatever we ye bia
so no bibia wo ye bia di sika bro bia make sure say unye sika pa ansa na sa asem no sebi nkwasi asem no wakabi nti se me de baba for say money is good but money is not everything but they say you must earn enough before you say such nonsense nti answer na obebie wa no aka se sika enya de nyina no make sure so wo scanza
o enkan kwa
wa no pa utie keke nyina sika sam na ganya sam ni AC Milan ho komo na wudi
AC Milan
ma me ma wa example Rich castle o mind ewo Europe baby aye bobo pa Rich team Baina mamenya ne left back team Baina left back or two very good left backs pa ewo sisi ya ye kase se oba Barcelona Barca or Bardi why not a Tenechi as a backup Gerard Martin he's not good enough Obienim Oko Real Madrid even fellow Mendy and Frank Garcia mienu no crown omusio omu said that you're good enough but what the emphasis say oh fellow Mendy obetimi akasa oh he is or good enough but the backup your Frank Garcia who is not good enough Timbe pobium Timbebium me person wa akasa bobo me top teams Chelsea. Even Manchester City Man City left back in Bonnie Wine. I feel no makoto 8 Nori. And can you say last season Man City cry said that gidi left back in Paul mutim Chelsea left back in the way Kukuera say Kukuera ni wa nebo why na any backup and no as already game ni bia they have to switch Malo Gusto to left back and of course start here now only the team make us same way and now me no ka say Usha FIFA Club World Cup ni bia team a free Saudi FN Ayala abeto Atletico Madrid left back in Renan Lodi and in the court on obo Rich and Rechi ya te say o ma Chelsea AC Milan Theo Hernandez sa deal no eba on na ko off eba on na ko off But in Pimpre Cassadia, Dino is back on and said, Bibia Kosani Ekoya, Rich, Ayala in Saudi Arabia will have Tio Hernandez and Renan Lodi. Now, Ubuza said, left back Munui. Enche Yebia, Nabakusi Akama, Atletico Madrid, Bakusi Akama, AC Milan. Oh, Saudi, who is Ago Phone Mienu, because you will be having a left back Mienua. Even European clubs cannot even boast of them in one team. Sika, they have money. And see, now you go and watch the Saudi league and you watch Ayala playing Tio Hernandez. Why not Tinechia? Lodi. Sika some rich. Sika some. Now, I didn't tell you also Modric because of Onyini. And then my mensa show before ba konka ho. Me be rest studio here. Granit Xhaka papa. Akoye interview. I was Switzerland. No mbusa say they will buy Granit Xhaka. Bayern for Leverkusen team omoni Alonso jeje ni o ma wiye team ni ye tutu. Na oba na okoyin o si oh. Only do obetimi aka che wiase nyina ne say AC Milan for ni di nkomo. And nkomo no eko kama. Na ore Italia wo so wadani. O mention wo interview no say the guy is a superb guy because only nkita wodie na omudi no eko very very well. It's rich. What I'm trying to tell you and say who disappointed say AC Milan ever Luka Modric. Said no makosa the eko now we will have an AC Milan midfield of Luka Modric and Granit Xhaka.
From Arsenal to Germany. Then to AC Milan.
And see, menka so munimbo. But
David, I said Luka Modric do be any ball. But when you ages no. Now can say Luka Modric pass Madrid. Enim gomemnako.
O menye zo ni wa. That is the truth. Even for the Croatian national team, Rich Asante Rich. So we say empanyimfo no ekọ a ene me de another story account Granit Xhaka too will be moving to ebe hu nkokrafo midfield ewo AC Milan. That is the reason why me catch you say Italy for no Rich the enche omu team say the ever from sikasem and Lautaro Martinez is still there comfortably. There's no saga around him and then Kofoku Iketike and then one whilst this guy is there. Henty, Rich, that is it. Pesca. Rich, FIFA Club World Cup kakrabina intimi MD FE in common and Benfica top group C, Rich. And the reason why I'm top group C and say Enra. Omuchi the Bayern for now. 1-0. Now, Rich, me share game no. Adeɛ bi be see me mesrɛ mo momfa nkyɛ me anya sɛ me ye bibini me ye Ghana ni ntia ba saa ne yesu ban tie enkaye binya adwene bi sɛ ne manya na ɛwɔ mutirim no Rich ɛno hwɛ bo ni bi wan hwɛ bi on Benfica hwɛ go ni we no chance Bayern enyaye no enya asɛm ketwa na Rich sɛ me kai me ho a out of the chances of Bayern nyaye no emu 3 or 4 clear cuts fell to Abranti FL Leroy Sané 1v1 bear 2 or 3 times say mini goalkeeper ni no abona keeper na no abona abokeeper na no abona abokeeper no now Rich the tell me kasa say oh say proud to the FIFA Club World Cup Leroy Sané akoteki akosaya magata sarai and we know the better you say but only Bayern never caught this tournament na obuya ansana wako starting the Turkish journey no Rich me sure say no the clear chances now Leroy Sané says no even some of the Bayern players will say I'm going to the Kodintina or boy Abrana but it wasn't to be said team my friend Bayern ebetimi at your moka Benfica went on to win the game enunti enene uhye group C a omo at the top of the group no ewo ho. Now you see Ayana, I don't want to do this. But when you are out the office, Fifi will push you to come and say something. Rich. And then Fifi, you'll be in no. And they say Chelsea at the second in this group.
Esperance, Los Angeles, and Flamingo.
Yes.
Chelsea are placing second.
Aye. Fifi, you'll be in no. It is because Chelsea are qualified and qualify as number 1 or number 2 in this group. Group where teams where more.
Yes, France.
Nti ye de ye nkasa. Na ye beji atum se ne no ma esi ko no.
Ana Esperance also group say the nya no. O say ni nya no.
Oh,
but group is a top.
David.
You make a huge statement.
Senior.
Atletico. Catch reviewers in as a look.
Atletico.
Me switch teams now.
Atletico share Seattle when you go.
Is he Fifi? Me ka see em fra wo mra na mangasa be kasa wo.
Okay,
na me say me twe wa agene sisu say you obi a wo you obi ye nyina no. Because a group we yo and a clubs we and I know group mu. And yes, what topic group no. When is second from this group, and no Kassan now, Kassan, I just want a tear for to appreciate baby and now free back.
Los Angeles for your own players, no FIFA Club.
You wish your boss,
number boy.
Barrich. And maybe Chelsea game no. One thing caught my eye, and that is Abante now was a Chelsea number 9 years.
Delap.
Look, you can predict the future. But Rich, you can see quality and potential in Obi. Abranche friend Liam Delap. Obama is switched down. Since year chemuye. Ni team no call relegation. But Rich, se ushe Premier League session year. Se Oka one of the best strikers in the league. Or what potential to blossom, you will mention his name on your list. Now, go there no say, Rich. I mean, for the trasa. The guy really applied strikers' skills to score the goal. First of all, time an offer for personal. Rich, I am no. Under normal circumstances, and I am not being too harsh on Obise Nicolas Jackson. Under normal circumstances, Rich, and can Nicolas Jackson, he will control the ball first. And son of Pequoia or Betene. But Rich, look, time Enzo Fernandez, Ebo Bonema, Delap. The first touch now, you could see that he wants to touch the ball while standing. So I know my way. El Pistolero Luis Suarez Monechere said, if you want to see a good striker, this is how you must play. And by the time I defend no, on so or the touch it, no abe block him, no abe or the other turn it, and so that we say me deal with him. Before the defender, and who say, Bono, acquired any born at 10, not the first touch now. Oh, Jimbo, no one so, and it's or they block you at 10, at the same time. And the defender realize here, no. Then Delap the ball not 10 watching any maybe. Now Rich, to the most difficult part. At 10 ball then the second defender is closing him down. Look at the way I ordered the left foot, a far ball never turn the right in the sun. And again, I am not being disrespectful to Nicolas Jackson. Rich and Kobe's both shot El Saboy. He just passed the ball into the net. Ni composure and the calmness in front of goal. Actually, who he is. Ebia Chelsea number 9 cares. Any the name our name may not allow him to get the numbers now. And also, but it takes nothing away from him as a player. Onimbono Ebo or then Tarek George. Small boy no so every bench. Eba Eddie the third goal no. Ebe catch Chelsea for no. It was our game. Rich. and normal echo ye and there are some few games. My main come on and find any code. Na yenko because I match is giddy bia. I know a day Inter Airborne River Plate. That is an interesting game. My Melody Sundance from Africa Airborne and so Honum. Then I think say Dortmund Airborne team now of Free Japan. Any identity. There are some interesting games. Also FIFA Club World Cup. Where they just 2 course way. Na efa show how far na yentimi emedi yenkomo ewo ho. First one no 204 EF AB 8 204 EF AB 8 and a second one also here 204 EFF 35 024 EFF 35 024 EFA B8 2 bet we kosa and then obetimi afa na ode aso how far FIFA Club World Cup games the European under 21 semi-finals no and so and in them very nice games ya share ewo ho na obetimi afa na de ayewe na rich no pay over kaya your platform no so me betia mu ho na mintia mu nyina na say rich I never knew baby any go stars ebe sign kwame ba